How to change home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. That by default set the home and app screen on your device. So in home screen you can only see the single application, or to access the app drawer swipe up to open the app drawer on the device. To change this home screen layout, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can find the home screen layout option. Tap on it. Now here you can see two options, home and app screen and home screen only. So when you select the home screen only, you can only access application for the home screen. Now tap on apply. Now here you can see the home screen. You can access application like this. When you swipe up from the bottom, you can access the search bar setting on your device. So when you select the home screen, you can access all application from the home screen like this. Just swipe right side or left side to access the application. If you want to access as app drawer, again tap and hold the blank space. Go to the settings, home screen layout, select the home and app screen, tap on apply. Now here you can see only one home screen. To access the application, you need to swipe up. That's it. If you like it, share it.